Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic for new parents: how to fix a baby's head shape. We'll share practical tips and some crucial cautions to keep in mind. First, let's understand why a baby's head shape might need attention. Babies' skulls are soft and malleable, which is why some babies develop flat spots, a condition known as positional plagiocephaly. This can happen due to various reasons, including spending too much time on their back. Tip number 1, encourage tummy time. Place your baby on their tummy while they are awake and supervised. This helps to strengthen their neck, shoulder, and arm muscles and reduces the time spent with pressure on the back of their head. Start with a few minutes several times a day, gradually increasing the duration as your baby gets stronger. Remember, always stay with your baby during tummy time to ensure they are safe and comfortable. Tip number 2, vary your baby's sleeping positions. While it's crucial for babies to sleep on their backs to reduce the risk of SIDS, you can alternate the direction your baby's head faces during sleep. For instance, one night, turn your baby's head to the right, and the next night, turn it to the left. This simple adjustment can help prevent flat spots from developing on one side of the head. Tip number 3, hold your baby more often. Carrying your baby not only strengthens your bond, but also reduces the time they spend lying on their back. Use a baby carrier or hold them in your arms. Both are great ways to alleviate pressure on their head. Plus, your baby will love the extra cuddles. Now, a word of caution. Be wary of using pillows and other positioning devices. While some products claim to help with flathead syndrome, they can pose serious risks. Loose bedding and pillows can increase the risk of suffocation and SIDS. Always follow safe sleep guidelines. Place your baby on a firm, flat sleep surface with no loose items. Consult your pediatrician before using any special pillows or devices. Lastly, if you notice significant flattening or asymmetry in your baby's head, or if you're concerned about their head shape, consult a pediatrician. They can assess your baby's condition and recommend appropriate interventions, such as physical therapy or, in rare cases, a helmet to help correct the head shape. Early intervention can make a big difference, so don't hesitate to seek professional advice. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, every baby is unique, and it's important to be patient and gentle as your baby's head shape develops. For more parenting tips and advice, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.